Look at this crap. It's awesome. Oh, these trails are awesome. I think I found my new favorite SVRA. It's just a haul to get to, but it's worth it. This is freaking awesome. Look at that view. No idea where I'm going, but this is fun as hell. Lake Road. Try this. Bee Camp and Lake Road. Oh, this is fucking nice. Getting some air on these little hills. It's fun as hell. Come on, WR. There you go. Need some speed for these uphills. Yeah. I mean, even the WR250R is known to be a little bit underpowered. I'm so glad I have to go race suspension, because handling these whoops are, I think, a bit more important than just pure power. This is awesome, dude. Caught some air there. Whoa, a little squirrely. Look at that. That's effing awesome. Yeah, I gotta hit those. I gotta know how to hit those humps. Uh-oh. You kidding me? Well, here we go again. I could do this all day. Jeez, man. This is fun as hell. You know what? You just gotta let the bike kind of roll itself. I mean, you influence the direction by pussy. I just got knocked sideways on a baby head back there and just kept rolling forward, so I'm gonna try that. Just keep rolling forward. Let your knees control the bike. Try not to give too many handlebar torquing. Just lean the bike with the throttle and clutch management being kind of the primary reasons why your hands are on the handlebars, I guess. I have no idea if that's right, but I'm having a funner time just relaxing my arms, and most importantly, I don't really feel the arm cramps anymore, the arm pump, because I'm not really tightening up around my biceps and triceps and forearms. Just letting the bike roll. It's fun as hell. It's like, whoop. Yeah, that view doesn't loosen you up. Look at that. It's fun as hell, man. Sometimes you just got to take a break. Alright, here we go. Okay, Harmony Gate Road. Let's go try this. Let's go try these new trails. This is definitely a faster one. This looks like a Dukes of Hazzard trail. It's pretty fast. Yeah, 450 would be ripping through here, but it's a nice trail. Okay, why is my high beams on? It's another trail. Never been on this trail before, but in some ways it feels a lot familiar. You gotta keep looking ahead. Look at fixation. Squirrely. Rocks and dirt, mud and other things. Come on, WR. Okay, do not enter. Fuck. That's my only wipeout today. I'll be happy. This WR250R. I mean, the seat height on it, I think it's 35. And it helps me get over those hills and fun as hell over those molehills. But on slow turns, on uneven surfaces, I tend to jack it up. Look at that. It's stuck. I gotta loosen this up. It's because I landed on my right on the throttle side of the bar. It's probably jammed in there. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'm good. I just got to make sure I'm consciously throwing the throttle back to start. So I'm not going to rip, but we're going to take this new trail gingerly. When your throttle's stuck, sticks. Look, it's accelerating, and I lifted my hand off. Let's go back and go back to the truck and loosen it up. I gotta stop dropping my bike. That's the problem. Look, dual sport cruise control. Hey, WR.